And Rebecca, what a wonderful morning we have here in the capital.
Indeed, very beautiful sunshine. It is the Christmas weather.
Yeah.
Yes, we are very thankful that the weather is fine.
Yeah.
Because most of us want to go to our village, the families, and we are worried about the weather.
The first question that we asked the gang back in the village, what's the weather like in there?
Right.
When they say the weather is good,
yes.
Whoa! The ngona in the village.
Vakandua. Vamimi ni bunga bikanda do ka songo tu na nguna wango So if the weather is fine, then automatically the songo, the special occasion that you're celebrating will also be fine. Will be good. Right.
We say Yarbenak to all our friends tuning in from the Western Division. We say Yarbenak to all the drivers and the passengers who are tuning in this morning. Maybe going to work. Say don't bang around on chicken and the body song and we say Mbulubnaka welcome to our Palangi show. We say Yarbenak to Peter Masilada, Yarbenak John Kumar. All the way from Baranaville in Singatoka.
Right.
And I'm going to night Melin na the level.
Yeah, Rabinaka.
We came in Naviwaka, and we're going to talk to Makina. And I'm telling you, to all our friends,
family,
yeah.
They're missing the food,
dinner,
the warmth, the love.
Yeah. Okay, now on the road to Talanan Matrikua,
right?
Why do women always like grog this time?
Oh, because it is from the beginning of the year till the end of the year, we women are always working.
Okay.
Always working and very far from our family.
Right.
And most of the time when it's Christmas or the season, drinking season.
Doping season.
Doping season.
Yeah.
It is the only time that we get to spend with our family.
Right.
And that is when we like to drink grog with
sometimes
our family.
Sometimes too, you didn't this time. Why? When dad is calling, Chineka.
Oh, blame the grog.
Iyo. Ya mesa ako kira-kira bikin na maramatina. Alam 69. No sorry. Ano ba na mataka binakari ko. Okay, is it good for mothers to go to another place to drink grog or stay in the village nga?
Depends.
Yeah.
Depends. If it is also good to stay in the village.
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to go to the next village, then yes, go.
Hey. Di nga ngaro bikin na maramatina. Okay. Okay. Doon tarong ko no. Tarong ko.
Right.
Lada ba sa no nindo los takina? Ba't kibrin do matin las? O dito ko na nila ko isa na go. Gay muri ka dormen telo ni chiko tele sana.
Yes, because we know if we tell the truth, the husbands won't let us go. So it's better sometimes.
The husband to be kind of loloma.
No. No.
The husband wanna takes Mary to where Mary is. Nangon di ba kasi ni Mary.
Right. Yeah.
Nata mo nindong kay Los kira. Kuna mayon daw may kiro buli korbo.
Right.
May na buli korbo, they never went to buli, they went to Bulenbel. Why?
No, because we know, because if we tell the truth, then the husband will never let us go.
Okay.
If so we have to lie.
So
like not really lie,
like
just make up an excuse so that we can go. And then when we are there, then the husband, it's taking so long. And then, one big problem. I saw my long lost friend, or long lost cousin, Chinikaya, decided to drink grog here and there. You know, the first step is letting you go there. So you just have to make that excuse and lie a little bit.
Wala ni style ni Solulu Bale. Going to the shop,
right?
With a Sulu Bakatonga with a 3/4 inside.
No, that is to prevent us from, if someone attacked us, then we can run.
Well, the Sulu Bakatonga na.
We can take the Sulbatonga.
Come back from the nightclub, then we are the Sulbatonga.
Hey, you are attacking us women this morning.
Christmas season sa to go. To all the mothers tuning in this morning,
Right.
Eleanor, what's your message to them about the family?
Oh, mothers, thank you very much for the hard work that you put in your family.
Yeah.
From the beginning of the year, the school term, sa maidhaba tayo lento na school year,
Yeah.
baki babuli sa maidhaba na bingkarabi levo.
Dina, Sarah.
Bikantikat sa ramaramatina. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Nantaw yalan din na takatunan nomini tabi.
Yeah.
Dobo sota.
Right.
We are so forgiving.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yes,
Yes, we have the very soft heart.
Yeah.
And we forgive our husbands
Yeah.
multiple times.
Don't know, we came in to all the listeners tuning in this morning. Sometimes when the mothers come back late from the nightclub, still 3 a.m. Sa loka sa kilaw ka ni Sambera, sa tingin mong bulito na doon ni 3 a.m. Kima misakinda, kima misakinda. And to all the mothers tuning in this morning, Korolev, hey, ano na kasi, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. Charlotte
Bila
Stark,
Korolev.
Pinabalev Sarah John Kumar, thank you my friend. Good morning guys, enjoy your
Holidays.
Oi, tau na mo depo, mabibi na crew ni biwawa na mo ay matang binang ni kuwa. Semtal sunga na bulu bitokan na matake dai. Epangoli tigo Chese Soba Tambua.
Right. Doya radar
Beko
naga.
Koroda. Toro no mikiro Chese Soba Tambua. Mariko Ilaisa Mitieli. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Vikim do na mataka binaka ni kuwa. Ayo, kem sakinda. Vikim na maramatina, rumada. Kapag nagkuntalan na kayo na sige ni kuwa. Kem sakinda sa tuigo tukuna mondonu. Kem karolo danis.
Sigiri madala.
Iya.
Ode ye nambadi yali turang ngongo. Tatanga.
Tukuna na stoa. Oke kindala. Dito rolo sotal tu danis.
Mari di berakala bekem nikat sarra bekanta dito matkol tok bana matabra ni kuwa mataka sa sing ni sudu.
Dina, Sarah.
Bekem nikat sarra natina turang tama maro ina bubale.
Dina.
Kenton na sing sudu mengungu ile tabi dendre bekem bikanta na ngono go sa na ustu le sing sudu.
Iya.
Se ko menta velo manitiko kami liuti nga na kena maro ina nonto bubale to to sarra. Mel na lebu.
Iya.
Merry Christmas.
Saru mo na. Vikim na kanta. Kira sa may toke. Bito ka di boleh na mataka ni kuwa like heart matake no musya.